To use your Fifth Third Bank routing number, start by understanding what a routing number is. A routing number is a 9-digit code that identifies the bank and location where your account was opened. Fifth Third Bank has several routing numbers depending on the state where your account was opened. First, you need to find your Fifth Third Bank routing number. You can find it on the bottom left corner of your checks, on your bank statement, or by logging into your online banking account. You can also visit the Fifth Third Bank website to find a list of routing numbers by state. Once you have your routing number, you can use it to set up direct deposit, pay bills, or transfer funds. To set up direct deposit, provide your employer with your routing number and account number. This will allow your employer to deposit your paycheck directly into your account. To pay bills, you can use your routing number and account number to set up automatic payments. You can also use your routing number to transfer funds between accounts. For example, if you want to transfer money from your checking account to your savings account, you will need to provide the routing number and account number for both accounts. When using your routing number, make sure to double-check that you are using the correct number to avoid any errors. It is also important to keep your account information secure to prevent unauthorized transactions. In addition, you can use your routing number to receive wire transfers. To do this, provide the sender with your routing number and account number, as well as the name and address of your bank. You can also use your routing number to set up automatic payments for loans or credit cards. Overall, using your Fifth Third Bank routing number is a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can use your routing number to streamline your financial transactions and stay on top of your account activity.